Hi, this is Gary from Cheetah Transformation, and this is the 12th Smartsheet quick tip on COUNTM, COUNTIF formulas when using Harvey Balls. In this tip, I'll be talking you through COUNTM, COUNTIF formulas together with Harvey Balls. If you're not aware what Harvey Balls are, they're actually one of the symbols within Smartsheet you can use to actually show progress. So instead of showing a percentage of progress, you can actually indicate it via a symbol. So what the task here is to automate the progress of Harvey Balls based on percentage check boxes in the children rows, and these are the check boxes. And based off these criteria, dictates on how full the Harvey Ball should be. So what we need to do first is actually, what I like to do in these instances is with a complex formula is to try and break it down. So what I want to do first is count the number of boxes. So what we do is use a formula called COUNTM, and then you just highlight the range, press return, and what that does, it counts the number of empty cells effectively, which is 13, and then we want to count the number of tick boxes, so equals COUNTIF, highlight the range, and what we want to know if it's ticked or not. So a tick is effectively a 1 and close brackets. So currently we're showing a 0, but if we test it, you can see that it's actually updating every time I tick a box, which is great. So now to enable me to work on this formula, I need to obviously work out the percentages that I'm actually getting for every box I tick to see actually if my end formula is correct or not. So what I need to do is obviously string these two formulas together. So equals sum, and then COUNTIF, highlight my range, and if it's ticked, and divide that by the number of boxes. So effectively it's the number of tick boxes divided by the total number of boxes to give my percentage, and it's then my COUNTM formula, and again highlight the range, press return. Currently it's at 0, but again as soon as I start checking this, you can see that that percentage will actually go up and down accordingly. So now all I need to do is obviously write a formula that gives me the outcome of these scenarios. So if 0 to 24% of the boxes are checked, then the Harvey Ball should be empty. 25 to 49, it should be 1/4 full. If completed is checked here, in the parent row, the Harvey Ball should be full regardless of the values. So this is a bit of a beast of a formula. So I've done it previously. I'm actually just going to take it from here and copy and put it in, and then just talk you through it. So you can see that if I tick it, it's complete. So if the parent row is ticked, then it should be full, which it is. And as you can see, if I start to increase the number, so my first one is 0 to 24%, so it's still empty, still under 24%, but as soon as I go over, it's gone to 1/4. So I'm at 30% and it's gone to 1/4. And if I carry on, 46%, my next thing is 49, so as soon as I go to 50, then it should be half full, the ball's half full. As we go on again, over 75%, it is 3/4 full, and obviously then if we go to all, then it's completely full. So just going to untick these and just show you the formula. Like I say, it's a bit of a beast, but the first statement obviously is just saying if that is equal to 1, then it's full. And then there's just some nested statements to saying if sum, the COUNTIF, which is the same formula I did here, if that is equal to or is less than 0.24%, then empty. And then undo some nested statements to say if and that formula again, the COUNTIF divided by the COUNTM, is greater than or equal to 0.25, and the sum of that again is less than 0.49, then 1/4, and as you go on. So there you go, that's COUNTM, COUNTIFs and Harvey Balls in a formula session. Thanks for watching, and for further details on our free and paid Smartsheet training courses, please visit the training and events section on our website at www.cheetahtransformation.co.uk. Alternatively, contact us directly on help@cheetahtransformation.co.uk to arrange a call to discuss your requirements further.